Hello friends, this is an experiment. I have made an holder for my camera, and this is the boat. I put up the paper here to see how it's going to be developed, the surface on the boat, and wow, it looks good. It's just 50 centimeters from here to here. Yeah, from here to here, 50 centimeters. And the Divinycell sheets are 122. So I can put them out here and glue them together. I will show you in my video. Well, here is the holder I made. It's a piece of mast and a piece of iron I bent, and then I threaded a little hole in it. It's just a 1/4 inch, and then I can put this holder into there and keep it. So yeah, here is the boat, and now I'm gonna scarf the Divinycell. So I made these things. Yeah, well, let's see. Here's the holder. And I can show you. So, let's say this is the Divinycell, and I push this thing, and then I got a ratchet strap to these things. And then I got one more. It's over here. So these two things will put it together with a ratchet strap. Tick, 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 tick. I got a pressure on it. And thanks to the boat is so small, it's just 6.4 meters. So I don't have to have more than 3 pieces of Divinycell on it. Yeah, so I'm cleaning the workshop here, and this is one of my workbenches. It's 25 millimeter 1-inch steel, so it's very solid. And I got a big vise here too. Good quality. And here is another workbench I've been cleaning up, and I've been cutting my hair. I don't know if you can see it, but this is how it is. And I've been doing a little bit preparation for everything. So yeah, this is how it is. And this, yeah, I have put up the clip from the summer. Yeah, it's, wait, I have to put this thing on again. I have to learn how to do this. So, it's 2020, it was 78 days down to the Azores, then 23 days down to the Madeira, and then this year, 2021, 21 days from Madeira up to Azores, and then 27 days up to Ireland, and total about 5 months. So, okay, you see, here it looks again. So, well, thank you very much for watching.